I'm Hava, and today we are at the Columbus Circle Holiday Market. This is actually my third time at this market because I came last year and tried to record a video for you, which I did record it, but like another video, I had lost the footage, so I am re-recording it this year, and I actually wasn't sure I was going to be able to record it before I leave town for the holidays, so I came here just on my own for fun because I really do enjoy this market. On Tuesday, now it is Friday, so it is far more crowded on a Friday afternoon than a Tuesday morning, but I'm excited to go back, show you some of the favorite vendors of mine, and enjoy another market, because I know some people say that every single one of these markets is... Welcome to New York. I know that some people say that every one of these markets is the same, and it's true that there are some vendors that reappear at several of the markets because it is all run by Urban Space, but you know what? I do think they're different because even though they all have jewelry, they all have art, etc., they're all different vendors. So, like another video I've done on this channel, make sure you subscribe and have notifications turned on so that you'll be aware of any other videos that come to this channel. We are going to zoom through the market and then slow down to show you my favorites. These are so cute! Oh, I love it. So adorable. The fun thing about coming right now is that the time of day is transitioning from daytime to nighttime because it's like 4:30. So yes, the sun sets that early here in New York at this time of year. It smells so good. I have hit the food court. Luckily I'm not hungry, so I won't be buying up all of the food at this market. So pretty. It's got real flowers and I think there are gold flakes in there. It's gotten dark now at Columbus Circle, but we're not done. It's really not even that late, but I have been hiding my left hand from you because I'm saving to show it to you when we get to a certain booth, and you will see why. So stay with me, let's go. I am obsessed with hard nectar, and I'm about to try one of their
elderflower champagne.
Anything else that we should all know about it?
It comes with beautiful viola, 24 karat gold. The taste is classic. These are our New Year's Eve kisses.
A New Year's Eve kiss? Is this what I'm tasting? This is amazing.
I love your reaction.
Mom will like this one.
This one has notes of champagne, peaches, dark spices. There's a rosemary leaf and a juniper berry.
This is one of my favorite vendors of all of the markets. It's at Columbus Circle, they're at Union Square. I really liked this candle smell, and it turns out that's the exact same thing I'm tasting.
Yes, the elderflower champagne.
Oh! I just tasted and smelled the same thing at the same time.
Exactly, we're trying to create a sensory experience for your eyes, nose, and mouth. Hard nectar, we are luxurious confections inspired by nature. Each lollipop has 10 ingredients or less, all natural, no preservatives. We are vegan, gluten-free. We boast 7 flavors and florals, ranging from sherbet champagne to herbaceous to rosy to tangy to mistletoe magic, which is Christmassy. Each lollipop has a hand-pressed flower and 24-karat gold inside.
Wow! Oh my gosh, thank you so much for explaining that.
All right.
All right, this is the special hat.
See the pook.ca?
Let's see
Now,
it.
this is our standard model here. Sock ears, fun for the kids. For your business meetings, power lunches, jubilees, jamborees, weddings, will proceedings, and bar mitzvahs, we offer the executive model. Men are wearing pink these days. Now, night out on the town, if I'm taking you out, of course, I'm going to be rocking the bowler cap, martinis, appetizers, the whole 9 yards, it's all on me. Turkish model here, Prince of Persia, trips to Lebanon, Turkey, Syria, Pakistan, Iran, and Afghanistan. Now, sheep herding in New Zealand, Pipsi Burul, Harwood Moss, Orang Gibidim, Captain Hook, Ray Charles, sensory deprivation, mullet, that's 2 styles, and mullet, that's time travel. I'm not done. Sorry.
Keep
Donald Trump comb over. Double Donald right here. That's the hot cross buns. 2 styles in one. You're welcome. My personal favorite, the Robin Hood, where we erect our feather all night long. Now, if that feather remains erect for more than 4 hours, you're welcome once again. You might just need a baby hat. And of course, it does come with its very own user manual.
All right.
Robin Hood, Section 4C, Clause B.
Amazing.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's
That's
go.
a performance.
And of course, you can't forget our drinking mitt.
Oh yeah, no, can't
We
forget that.
love demoing this one.
Yeah. The whole video I have been hiding this hand because this has a ring that I bought at Columbus Circle Market last year from RKNYC, which we're about to go see, and it is actually made of meteorite in the middle. This is a very special ring, and I'll show you some of her other jewelry.
So each piece is individually handmade. I'll show you kind of an example. So yeah, each piece is handmade on the wheel. There's like a picture above us, show how it's done on the spinning wheel. They're all ceramics, and they're glazed, fired.
Ooh, oh, I like that one. Very pretty. Yeah.
Dried flowers too.
Wow. Oh, that's so cool. The ceramics and real dried flowers. I've said this before and I'll say it again. What really makes these holiday markets memorable is the vendors themselves. If I haven't done all of the holiday markets in New York City at this point, I have done the majority of them.
That's gonna be it.
Make sure you go ahead and like this video because you made it almost all the way to the end. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and follow me on Instagram for more daily content. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!